Panglima Tentara Nasional Indonesia melakukan pertemuan bilateral dengan 10 negara yang hadir pada kegiatan Indo-Pacific Chief of Defence Conference yang dilaksanakan di Sydney, Australia.
Kegiatan Chief of Defence Conference yang ke-26 tahun 2022 ini adalah kegiatan tahunan yang dilaksanakan secara tuan rumah bersama antara Australia dengan Amerika Serikat.
Fokus diskusi Jenderal TNI Andika Perkasa bersama negara-negara counterpart juga membahas tentang penyelenggaraan latihan bersama dengan tujuan menciptakan pertemanan, saling sepaham dan persaudaraan antar prajurit masing-masing negara.
Thank you so much, Commodore. I think since 2 years ago, I've been wanting to get something real on the ground. I proposed to John last year that I would like to start a combined exercise. I really wanted to do engineering units because I think if engineering units, whatever we do together, we would see something real, right? Not only, let's say infantry, offensive operation, patrol, things like that. So I think the target will be it's up to the PNG Defense Force to decide what target we want to work on for this engineering works. But of course it's army engineering, so military engineering. And perhaps because of the our fiscal budget situation, perhaps we're going to be able to do it next year.
Thank you for your Brigadier General. I think he'll be positive on that one.
So I think what we should do is continue trying, right? No matter how small our steps forward, but it's hopefully we can make steps forward. Continue.
General, every journey begins with the first
Exactly.
Kesejahteraan pengembangan infrastruktur, membangun kepercayaan dan keyakinan antar negara, terutama di bidang pertahanan. Itu juga menjadi beberapa tujuan dilakukannya pertemuan bilateral Indonesia dan negara tetangga.